Yeah. I really like
nice,
that.
doesn't it?
Oh,
It's
such
really
a nice colour. Yes, I like that.
Isn't it nice?
It's almost like the lipstick blends the liner, so it's,
Yeah,
it's
it
quite
all
blurred.
smudges in together. And if you wanted to go darker, you could take this lip liner and then you could apply it over the top of the lipstick.
What, actually all over?
Yeah, all over. And
okay.
that will just give you a deeper shade if you wanted that.
I suppose that's like two colours in one, isn't it,
Yeah,
really?
exactly. But it just looks so chic. Like you could do that for if you're going for lunch with your mates or something.
It's sort of like a satiny, creamy finish, isn't it?
Doesn't
Oh,
that
I
look
like
beautiful?
that. Yes.
Paper. Put the links below. You'll be able to see it, and you'll be able to see it on all different skin tones. These two together are next level, promise you.
They're so nice and they feel lovely.
Yeah, really creamy, really lovely.
Straight in my makeup bag, please.
You can have that.
Oh, thanks.
Bye.
Bye, bye.